It's a parade inside my city. Yeah.
Outside of his athletic abilities, Ja Morant's hair has gained attention, which has inadvertently made him a center of attention for his unique look. We have seen him alternate between an afro, twist, and currently his hairstyle being a traditional dreads. Dreads being one of the most popular hairstyles in black culture continues to become a style of choice for professional athletes, as evident by Ja Morant himself. Ja Morant's current hairstyle is traditional dreads. Now there are multiple ways you can get dreads. This includes two-strand twists, comb coils, interlocking, lock extensions, and freeforms. Now Ja Morant, he allowed his hair to naturally lock into dreads from his twist. So now that you know how to get dreadlocks just like Ja Morant, here's 3 easy hairstyles.
It's a parade inside my city.
Hairstyle number 1 is a half up. All you do is simply pull up half of your hair. So I'm gonna take the top of my hair and just take this top section. This is with a full set of dreads. Now we all know that he has a mohawk of dreads. Some people say that he just has a taper fade. The debate's still up. I think it's just like kind of like a south of France. He has a fade that goes right behind his ear. So I don't think it's a mohawk. You guys can call it what you want. What do you guys think? Is it a mohawk or is it just a taper fade? I think it's just a high taper fade. But for the most part, he has a full set of dreads. So all he needs to do, pull up this first half of the hair. And you can like get it perfect. And I'll show you the difference. You can do it like a straight line across, depending on how your locks are set up. Got your locks like perfectly sectioned, then you can do it like that. But she's in a hair tie. This is a very easy hairstyle, and I do it quite often. Let me show you what the front looks like. Very simple. Right side, the back, and the left side. Now I'm not sure if I got it perfect, but essentially if you do it to where it's a straight line across, that depends on if your sections are perfectly sectioned out. But if you have organic sections, it's gonna look a little different. But sometimes I'll get it right to where it's just a straight line across, but I doubt it's like it this time. But you can do that, or you can just simply just pull it up, which I'll show you guys what that looks like as well. Yeah, it's not gonna be a straight line, but you get my point. Now there are times to where I might be going to the gym or like just wanna pull the front of my hair up. So in this case, I'll just simply grab some hair in the front and just pull it right up. And I don't pull that much. See, I was just like, it almost looks like some Rick James type stuff, but it's almost a little bit more seamless. It almost looks like you have like some bangs cut, but it depends on what kind of look you're going for. If you want it to be a very apparent half up, half down, then do the first one where you pull a lot of hair up, or you could just do it just like this to where the front is just pulled up, which I feel like this is a lot more popular. Some people not only do it on the front, but they do it on the side, depending on what size they want to put it on, or even on the back. That's what that one looks like, guys. Very simple. The goal for me when I do a half up, half down is to hide the hair tie, because you don't want the hair tie to show. I think it just makes it look a little bit more clean. And for me, I like to wear this just because it keeps the hair out of my face, especially having glasses. It just gets really annoying having hair right in front of my face. And anytime I bend over, the hair will want to fall in front of my face. This is just a very beneficial hairstyle. But we'll move on to hairstyle number 2.
It's a parade inside my city.
Since we are doing easy Ja Morant hairstyles, this next one is actually extremely easy. You just need a little bit of hair length. And that's the thing about Ja Morant hairstyles is his hair is a little bit longer now because he's obviously been growing it. But these hairstyles require a little bit more longer hair. But this one is just all the way back. Now with this hair being at medium length, although it is long, I still feel that it's medium compared to other people with locks. It doesn't go all the way down to be in a ponytail back here. It just goes back to like right under the crown of his head. So all you're doing is taking all your hair. I think the best way to pull all your hair back is literally to just lean back and let your hair fall. And then grabbing it and then just trying to pull it all in. I know it seems weird like explaining a ponytail, but there's like special ways of doing it to where it's easier. But you want to grab your hair with the hand with the ponytail on it and then start grabbing everything else and pulling it in. I'm honestly not even sure if I'm gonna be able to pull all my hair up, but we'll give it a shot. So once you have all your hair pulled back, it's time to put in the ponytail. You gotta grab it, make sure that all the hair comes out the back. Boom, you got another Ja Morant hairstyle right there.
Yeah.
Very easy. I personally don't like this. I like to have a lot more like volume up at top, so that's why I usually do the half up, half down up here, or even I'll just do a pineapple right on the top, which is just all the hair pulled up. Easier with the high top fade, but I think it's better having a full set of dreads. You guys comment down below, do you like a full set of dreads or a high top fade? Or which one do you have? I found that when I had a high top fade, I just wanted a full set. So restart and get a full set. Now let's move on to hairstyle number 3. This one's not as easy, but I would recommend all of you guys to try. And this hairstyle is barrel twist. Like I said, you guys can try this hairstyle yourself, but I would highly recommend going to a loctician or a salon to have them do it for you just to get the best results. So anytime you do a hairstyle that requires any products, you want to detox or at minimum wash the hair. So we're starting out with washing the hair first. I'm actually doing an ACV rinse right here, and it's always important to make sure that your hair is completely clean before adding any products into your hair. This will mitigate any buildup and will also make the locks look more vibrant when the hairstyle is complete. After the ACV rinse, I actually shampooed the hair. After the shampoo, shampoo is complete, you want to pat dry the hair with a microfiber towel. These work best to make sure that no lint gets inside of the lock. Of course, you can use a regular towel, or some people even use a t-shirt, but the whole point of all this is to make sure that you're not getting any buildup into the hair. The next step in this process is to retwist the hair completely. Do this while the hair is still a little bit damp. Now there's two ways of doing this. The way that I'm going to show you doesn't include doing the hairstyle immediately after the retwist, which you can also do, and I'll explain in a bit. With this method, you want to use duck clips right after the retwist and then go straight into drying the hair. You can either use a hair dryer just like this, or you can blow dry it with a hair dryer, and it's really up to you if you want to use heat or cold air. Heat obviously will dry the hair quicker, but if it's possible to use a medium heat, I think that'd be great. And you want the gel to completely dry on the hair before doing the hairstyle. And then once all the hair is completely dry, you want to remove the duck clips, and now it's time for the barrel twist. This is by far my favorite hairstyle. I used to really like two-strand twist, which is another John Morant hairstyle that he does, but I find that barrel twist just look a whole lot cleaner. We've seen Lil Baby do this hairstyle, obviously John Morant, and many other people. Now when doing the barrel twist, you want to get your sections, and in this video I'll be showing you how to do 4 barrel twists. And you start out with 2 dreadlocks and then twist them together, and then you just start feeding in the other locks while twisting it around the section that you are creating. It's almost like doing cornrows, but instead of using 3 strands to braid the hair and then start adding in hair, it's almost like a 2-strand twist on the head, but you simply grab a lock that you want to add into the barrel twist and then twist it around that section, and then grab another lock from the opposing side and then twist around the section, and then just keep doing this process. When you're doing this, you want to make sure that your locks are still twisted down by the root, so don't unravel them. But before twisting it into the barrel twist, you want to do a light retwist and then add it into the barrel twist. And if you just so happen to live in the Phoenix area, this is actually Dread Queen's Lock Lounge, and I would highly recommend her. She does excellent work and she makes it very easy, and she does it very fast. And it's always good to add some oils to the scalp after getting a retwist, just to revitalize the scalp and make sure it doesn't get itchy and it doesn't get dry and flake off, because flakes are actually another reason why a lot of people get buildup, especially down by the roots. But after the scalp has been moisturized with oil, the hairstyle is complete.
It's a parade inside my city.
Yes,
Yeah.
that last hairstyle is a little bit more advanced, but I'm telling you, it looks really good and you should definitely try it. This is what all the hairstyles look like side by side. You got the half up, half down, you got the all back, and then you got the barrel twist. Comment down below your favorite hairstyle out of these 3. Now, even if these hairstyles may seem intimidating, I know the first 2 are very easy, but the barrel twist might seem a little hard. I would still recommend for you to try yourself and learn how to do it before you choose not to. And of course, if you just want to get the hairstyle done, then just find a loctician that's close to you and then just get it done, because it's a nice hairstyle and you won't regret it. Now, doing these hairstyles, you need products. Since you need products, use products that have natural ingredients. Just like the DREADLOCK Maximum Hold Locking Gel for retwisting and styling your hair, or if you need to wash or detox your hair, I would highly recommend the ACV shampoo. And for moisturizing and promoting your hair growth, I would highly recommend the hair growth oil from greatlocks.com as well. And for instant maintenance, you can get a crochet hook just like this. We have a single and a double, and those really help reduce the frizz or create instant locks. So if you want any of the products that I personally use, I have a list of these all in the description down below. You can also click on the pinned comment to shop greatlocks.com for yourself. But other than that, hopefully you guys do have an amazing day. Matter of fact, have a great day. Peace. God bless.